Alright folks, ever wondered how that fizzy cola in your hand gets made? It's a fascinating process that combines science, precision, and a bit of magic. Buckle up because today, I'm taking you inside the cola factory to reveal all its secrets. From the moment the raw ingredients arrive to the final product you enjoy, every step is meticulously planned. First up, water treatment. Before anything else, the water used in cola production goes through filtration, deionization, and sterilization. This is crucial because water is the main ingredient, and its purity directly impacts the quality of the cola. This ensures the water is as pure as possible, affecting the taste and shelf life of the final product. The water quality is constantly monitored to meet stringent standards. Next, we've got sugar syrup or sweetener preparation. For regular cola, sugar or high fructose corn syrup is dissolved in hot water to make a syrup. This syrup is carefully measured to ensure the perfect sweetness. For diet cola, artificial sweeteners like aspartame or sucralose are used. These sweeteners are chosen for their ability to provide sweetness without the calories. This syrup is the backbone of that sweet taste. It's mixed until it reaches the right consistency, ensuring every drop of cola has that signature flavor. Then we move on to caramel coloring. This involves carefully burning sugar to create that classic cola color and a hint of flavor. The caramel color is what gives cola its distinctive look. Now here's where it gets really interesting, adding acids and flavors. Phosphoric acid is added to balance out the sweetness and give that sharp taste. This acid is key to achieving the perfect balance of flavors. Natural and essential flavors like orange, lemon, cinnamon, vanilla, and even coconut are blended to create the brand's secret formula. These flavors are what make each brand of cola unique. And yes, caffeine is also added, either naturally or synthetically. This gives cola its stimulating effect. Carbonation is next. The mixture is exposed to high-pressure carbon dioxide, making it fizzy. This step is what gives cola its refreshing bubbles. This process is done at low temperatures since cold water absorbs more CO2. The carbonation process is carefully controlled to ensure the right level of fizziness. After that, everything gets homogenized and filtered. This ensures all components are evenly distributed and any unwanted particles are removed. The homogenization process is crucial for a smooth, consistent product. Quality control is crucial. The product's pH, sugar content, carbonation level, and flavor are tested to meet brand standards. Every batch is rigorously tested to ensure it meets the high standards consumers expect. Then it's on to bottling and packaging. Glass or plastic bottles and aluminum cans are sterilized, quickly filled, and sealed to prevent gas loss. This step ensures the cola stays fresh and fizzy until it reaches you. Sometimes pasteurization or preservatives like sodium benzoate are added to extend shelf life. These measures help keep the cola safe and tasty for longer. Finally, labeling and distribution. Bottles are labeled, boxed, and shipped out to stores, often via a cold chain to keep them fresh. The distribution process ensures that the cola reaches you in perfect condition. And there you have it. The complete journey of your cola, from water treatment to your fridge. It's a complex process that results in a simple pleasure. Next time you take a sip, you'll know exactly what went into making that refreshing drink. Cheers! Enjoy every fizzy moment.